Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to WeeklyTools, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars and technology. Today, we have something exciting to talk about: the BOSSCOMM if742 car scanner. Stick around as we dive deep into its features, performance, and how it can revolutionize your car maintenance experience. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things automotive. Let's roll! Straight out of the box, the if742 feels sturdy and well built. It's got a nice weight to it, and the rubberized grips make it feel secure in your hands. The 7-inch screen is bright and crisp, and the physical buttons are a welcome change from finicky touchscreens, especially when your hands are greasy. Using the if742 is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just plug the OBDI adapter into your car's port, power up the scanner, and select your vehicle make and model. The whole process takes less than a minute, and the on-screen prompts are clear and concise. Now, what sets the BOSSCOMM if742 apart from the rest? Let's start with its impressive features. The if742 boasts extensive vehicle compatibility. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, or a truck, this scanner covers a wide range of makes and models, making it a versatile tool for any car owner. Advanced diagnostics: the BOSSCOMM if742 is not just a scanner, it's a powerhouse of diagnostics. Equipped with advanced technology, it provides in-depth insights into your vehicle's engine, transmission, ABS, airbag systems, and more. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision. Wide vehicle coverage: whether you own a domestic or imported vehicle, this scanner has you covered. With an extensive database, the BOSSCOMM if742 supports a wide range of car makes and models, making it an indispensable tool for professionals dealing with diverse vehicles every day. Real-time data streaming: stay in the know with real-time data streaming. The if742 provides live data from various sensors, allowing you to monitor your vehicle's performance on the go. This feature is not only essential for troubleshooting but also for optimizing your car's efficiency. User-friendly interface: navigating through complex diagnostics has never been easier. The BOSSCOMM if742 boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both seasoned mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. The intuitive design ensures that you spend less time figuring out the tool and more time getting the job done. Here are some pros and cons about the BOSSCOMM if742. Pros: easy to use, large, clear screen, scans 4 major systems, live data monitoring, built-in repair guides and tips, Wi-Fi updates, affordable price tag. Cons: no built-in battery, requires car power, not as comprehensive as high-end professional scanners. In conclusion, the BOSSCOMM if742 car scanner combines sleek design, powerful diagnostics, and user-friendly features to create an indispensable tool for every car owner. Whether you're a professional mechanic or someone who loves to tinker with their vehicle, this scanner is a must-have in your toolbox. If you're ready to take your car maintenance game to the next level, the BOSSCOMM if742 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and where to get your hands on one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those engines roaring.